Well, One-Eyed Cat here. Now that we're officially registered for No Name Nationals, like thank Ron. I was procrastinating about registering, and Ron's like,
Happy birthday.
get her
Not
done.
until June. We wasn't waiting until June.
Thank you. But now that it's official, as my entry for No Name, bringing a 62 Valiant. It's going to do a cold start today, if you can do a cold start in 72 degrees. Alright, other booster packs. Now we're down to 2 bars. Give it a whirl, see if this one does it.
Ah, don't you love it?
Love it. Cold start, ladies and gentlemen. 72 degrees in February. And we put it away. Alright. Oh, you thought I was bringing this 62 Valiant.
No.
Now we're over here.
We're over here. Around the corner. We're a good son.
We're gonna bring this one. Don't look at that front suspension. It's perfect. Got to work on that. Let's cold start this. This one hasn't been run since last summer either. Pulled it apart, working on the interior. Get this hooked up. See what it sounds like today.
Oh.
Ah, go ahead, keep filling.
Ooh. Ow.
This side, yes.
I was gonna say, this one's hard to get to.
Not really.
Well.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Fill them balls. Easy on that starter.
There's the chinnies on this, right there.
Yep.
When do I stop?
When you got, as long as you still got enough for these ones. These bowls are bigger.
Oh.
Just get them in there. Any overflows going down to hopefully make it go down the carburetor. Yeah, we're going to tax this. We're going to tax this starter.
Part of it now.
All year ad-libbing.
I'm learning.
I know. Squirt bottle.
I get to do hands-on. Let's keep going. Oh, they are big bowls. I'm sorry.
That's good. Did you get them both?
I got this one first.
All right. Go down the throat. Easy. Easy. Oh, yeah. In the See if there's anything in that battery. Bump that horn. We got juice. All right. It's already in park. I made sure of that. No neutral safety. You got to be careful.
No push button here.
It's hanging. Turn the key on. Do it. Hit it. Hold on. Hit it. This is the one we're bringing to Sykeston. This one runs. We're going to keep it that way. Throttle. All right. Got to work on passing tech. Okay, we're officially registered for Sykeston. Any call outs? I might call people out. I just want somebody to go down the track with. Ron, I'd like to thank you for registering me, getting me in early. We knew we was going. So we might as well get this party started.
Perpetual Spectator here.
Now crew. Okay. See everybody in Sykeston. Like, share, and subscribe.